Animal cruelty. Animal abuse. Stop terrorizing animals. Leave them alone. Stop eating and wearing animals like cavemen and hiring hitmen. Free info, animal cruelty. Vegan is the future. Animal abuse, free info. Free info, help the animals. Animal abuse. Stop acting like cavemen, eating and wearing animal skins. You're not cavemen. And stop hiring hitmen. Stop terrorizing the animals. Free info. My food doesn't scream, it says. Animal abuse, there's no excuse for it today. Vegan is the future.
Good job, man.
Thank you, thank you. Where are you from? India? Thought so, awesome. Meet a lot of people from India that are vegan. India, even China, Europe, Argentina, Chile, Mexico City, of course LA, Chicago, lots all over the world. For places to eat, check out vegguide.org and happycow.net for places to eat worldwide. Free info, animal abuse.